Hey, this is Mrs. Baird. This time we're going to solve an equation. It looks a little bit different, still a one variable equation. However, with that fraction in the very beginning, it could look a little bit intimidating, um, but it's actually not too intimidating. So what we're going to do is we are going to draw our line down our equal sign to remember that that's our wall. And whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. And when we have a fraction here, it has the variable with it. So what we want to do is we want to put our numbers or our constants, anything without a variable, onto one side. So it's by itself. So the very first thing we need to do is we need to subtract the 8. And since we're doing it from one side, we need to do it to the other. And then I like to put my little sign or my line there to remember that we are doing a equation. So if we get lost, we know where we were. So 8 minus 8 leaves nothing, and 11 minus 8 equals 3. Our equal sign, and then we haven't done anything with this, so we're going to bring it down. We've got our g over 4. Remember, we're trying to figure out what g represents number-wise, so what number could we have that would divide by 4 to equal 3? If we are still doing our equation, what you can do, and this is what I always do, is put parentheses around both sides, because we are going to multiply. To get the g away from the 4, we're going to multiply the denominator, whatever's on the bottom of the fraction, because the opposite of division, which is a fraction, is multiplication. So we're going to put a 4 over here on the left, and we're going to put a 4 over here on the right. And remember that the parentheses mean multiplication. This crosses that out and leaves just the g. And then we have 3 times 4, which equals 12. And that is our answer. G equals 12.